I received this slushie machine as a gift, and I was really excited to try this one because we love frozen drinks, especially during the summer. For my first time using it, I decided to keep it pretty simple and make fresh homemade lemonade slushie from scratch. Getting everything out of the box, my first impression was that I really liked the overall look of the machine. The black finish looks really nice on the counter, and even though it has a pretty generous 40-ounce capacity, it doesn't feel overly bulky for a countertop appliance. It also comes with a recipe guide, which is really helpful for getting some ideas of what you can make and figuring out where to start if you've never used a machine like this before. There are 6 different preset options available, so you can make quite a bit more than just basic slushies. It can be used for different frozen drinks, margaritas, and even soft serve ice cream. You also have a temperature control, which allows you to make adjustments depending on the consistency you're looking for. One of the biggest things that interested me about this machine is that you don't need to add ice. With a traditional blender, you normally have to add quite a bit of ice to get that frozen consistency, and that can end up watering down your drink. With this, you can just pour the liquid directly into the machine and let it freeze for you. For my first drink, I made a batch of fresh homemade lemonade. Once I had my lemonade ready, I poured it directly into the machine, selected my setting, and let it get to work. It was fun being able to watch the consistency gradually change. It starts out completely liquid, and as the machine continues running and chilling everything, you can see it getting thicker and thicker until it starts looking like an actual slushie. I also like that the controls are right on the front and easy to access. Since this was my first time using the machine, I wasn't sure how complicated the process was going to be, but it was actually really straightforward. Once my lemonade reached the frozen consistency I wanted, it was ready to serve. I was really impressed with how it turned out, especially considering I didn't have to add any ice at all. It had that smooth, icy, slushy texture while still keeping the flavor of my homemade lemonade. And because I was able to make the lemonade myself first, I had complete control over what went into it and how sweet or tart I wanted it to be. I think that's one of the biggest advantages of having a machine like this at home. You can experiment with your own recipe instead of being limited to pre-made mixes. The 40-ounce capacity is also really nice if you're making drinks for more than one person. I can definitely see us using this when we have people over, for family movie nights, or just when we want something fun at home. Another important feature for me is that it's designed to be easy to clean. Frozen drink machines can seem like they would be a hassle to deal with afterwards, so having a simpler cleaning process makes a big difference. After making my first batch, I'm already thinking about all the other things I want to try in it.